Welcome to Birubhai Lifestyle. Today I will talk about yoga and pranayam.
And this is very important session. And in this session, I will talk some important aspects of yoga and pranayam, and that is very beneficial for your life, your health, your mental health, your physical health. So let's start. So in this video, you will learn something more extra. You know the core thing of the yoga and pranayam and practical benefit. I will also talk about the practical benefit of yoga and pranayam. So first yoga, first pranayam is Anulom Vilom. So let's do how Anulom Vilom is practiced. First of all, sit. When you in normal condition you sit like this, but in a special condition you sit like this. You can also sit like this, but I will prefer sit like this. Okay. Now this is the a kind of mudra. We call it Gyan Mudra or Dhyan Mudra. So just doing this, let's see. By doing this, I am practice. I am in position of, I am in the posture of Gyan Mudra and Yoga Mudra. After this, I will practice Anulom Vilom. First of all, for doing this Anulom and Vilom, close this nostril, nose, and you have to take a breath from left side. Just I'm doing this. And after taking full air, oxygen, you have to release from this side. Again, repeat this. Again, by taking this from this nose, from this nostril, you have to release from this side. Now, this. During this session, during this action, you have to close your eyes. Because when you will close your eyes, this make your life, this make your body, your mind in a position, in such a situation that you will feel very relief. So I'm doing this again by seeing me, by observing me, you can practice this. See. Now I'm coming forward. See, I have come forward, and again I'm doing this so that you can see me, you can watch me very clearly. Again I'm doing this. Repeat this and practice this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, according to your capacity, ability. Now, I will talk about some another type of pranayam that is called Kapalbhati. For Kapalbhati, you need to practice, you need to sit in this posture, and this is very important pranayam, and you have to practice it regularly at morning and evening time. So let's start. First of all, you have to do this. First of all, sit like this, and you have to release all the air, oxygen, or air in your nose, in your uh, chest, in your lungs, forcefully. Just I'm doing this. Let's see. That means when you release this, when you practice this forcefully, your belly ultimately, automatically move backward. Let's see. And during this session, during this action, you have to close your eyes and do this. Practice this. So next, I have told you about two pranayam. Next, pranayam is about chanting, chanting of Om. You have to say your Om from mouth by making your lips round. Let's see. Om. Practice this again and again. And while you take oxygen, you take air, deep air, think that means all the energy, all the positive energy coming to your life, coming to your body, coming to your mind. And while releasing this by chanting Om, think that all the negativity, all the negative energy coming out of your body, coming out of your mind, coming out of your system, and you are getting benefited, and you are going to energize yourself. Let's do again. Another pranayam, that is pranayam number 4, that is Bhramari pranayam. It is very important for mind, brain. It make your brain sharp. It makes your brain sharp. It makes your memory very sharp. It makes your mind to work properly, to function properly. And if you are in depression, if you are in despair, if you are in hopeless position, you can boost yourself. You can regain yourself, your energy, your life will ultimately be in good position. See what I'm doing this. Let's try, see me, observe me, how I'm doing this. First of all, you have to close your ears by the thumbs. Let's see. After this, you have to put the 3 ears in your eyes. Let's see. And this one upon your head, forehead. And this is the position. And what do you have to do? First of all, take the oxygen, inhale, and after inhale, after closing your mouth, you have to chant Om by closing your mouth, like a Brahmer. Brahmer is a kind of ant, that means that fly. That means this is a vibration. You have, when you do vibration, that your mind, your brain, all the function, all the cells get repaired. Let's see what I'm doing this and practice by closing your eyes. Now you see me, you observe me. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, and if there is any query, any question, then write in my comment box. I will answer your question, your queries. Thank you.